When I think of freshman year, the autumns of 2015 to the summers of its older sibling, 2016, I think of the small things. The crinkles of the smiles of my friends, my first ever homecoming dress, how the football fields would hold laughter, but mostly drama. My friend Elliot's birthday party and the free little library in his neighborhood. I remember making stupid music videos to lean on New Year's Eve, and I think of all the people who inspired me, all the boys I've had crushes on, and I think of the small moments of pure happiness and bliss. This has been the best year so far, but I'll probably say that about next year, won't I? I've met so many new people who make me smile, and I've made so many special moments with the ones I already knew. I grew a little, and now the days keep passing so fast I get a little dizzy. But when I think of freshman year, I think of this.